think?
She's looking
Look
at
at the picture.
There's
Look at you, Mom.
Maggie with grandmums.
I keep forgetting her name.
I call her Amy sometimes.
I do too.
Oh, now that's recorded. She'll know that I call her Amy.
Hey, you're not Amy. You're Maggykins.
And she went to West End Mall for the first time today.
Bring her hat over, Jane. It's right behind you in the bag. We'll put your hat on. She really wants to push back, doesn't she?
Yeah, she does. She likes to kick.
On.
Yeah.
And she got a new hat. It's a little big.
Little tiny bit big.
Is it all
But
over
it's
her
cute.
eyes? There's a background.
It looks cute.
There's
Yeah, that
her new
looks
hat,
good.
and she has a matching jacket and white pants in the same fabric.
Very cute. All right. Say bye, Maggie. Bye.